Dungeons and Dragons is a popular social game for 4 or more players, commonly known as D&D. In it, players create their characters who go on different activities such as killing monsters, collecting valuable treasure, and the occasional romance here and there. Although I say killing monsters, sometimes the players themselves are the ones that are evil. This of course means that the morality of D&D is not all black and white, but rather has a lot of gray areas. So every player picks a alignment for their character, which further describes them along with their name, their race, and their class, and of course many other things. However, we also need the famous D&D dice set, which is used to simulate the randomness of the world. And last but not least, as every good book has a good writer, every good session has a good DM, or Dungeon Master. He is the person who comes up with the story and the world and basically keeps everything running. So, will you roll the dice?